Good morning everyone! This is Krista of Pinay's Kitchen. Welcome to my channel! As you can see, I'm using So today I decided to make my version of the Japanese pancake souffle. Yeah, as you can see, I'm still on my PJs because I just woke up. Well, I didn't just woke up. I prepped all this and then, But anyway, I'll show you everything. I'll show you step by step on how to make it. So I hope you enjoy the show. First off, these are my utensils and the stuff that I need to make the souffle. So I have whisk here, whisk for my egg yolks, and I have a hand mixer here with wire whisk. This is for my meringue. You can use whisk if you have that strong arms to just do your meringue manually. And then I have two medium bowls here, one for the meringue and one for the egg yolks. I have a strainer here, or you can use a sifter. This is to sift my flour. Okay, and of course a skillet where you usually cook your pancake, but you're gonna need a lid for it because when we cook it, we're gonna have to steam it. And I have a plastic spatula here as well because we're gonna fold the meringue with the egg yolk mixture later. I'm gonna show you that. The ingredients that we need 2 large eggs. We need 1 tablespoon of water or milk. You can use milk if you want. We have 4 tablespoons and half a teaspoon of self-rising flour. So now if you don't have self-rising flour, you can use 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then we have 1 tablespoon of sugar. And of course the maple syrup and the butter. We're gonna need the butter for cooking, but I'll show you that in a little bit. Okay, so let's start making this. So first I'm gonna separate my eggs. Let's see. Let's separate. As you can see, I'm using the eggshell to keep it separate. Just keep it separate like that. And if you see those like white jello, you can just run your fingers like that so it will fall. And here's your egg yolk, 1, right? Okay, so now let's keep that egg whites there first. Let's start mixing our egg yolks first. So you can beat your egg yolks first, and then you can add your 1 tablespoon of water right here, and then you can keep whisking until it's fully incorporated. Then now you can add your flour, and here's your strainer to make sure that your flour is sifted, and then mix everything together. Incorporate everything together until you don't see any lumps anymore. Then you can set it aside and you can start beating your egg whites. So we're gonna do our meringue now. So beat your egg whites until it's soft peak, and then you can add a half a teaspoon of sugar and keep beating it until it gets to a medium peak. So, and then add the rest of your sugar and keep beating your egg whites until it gets to a stage where it's already stiff peak where you can take your whisk and you can see that point. That's how you want it. So now we're gonna incorporate the egg white, the meringue, to our egg yolk mixture. So first, we're gonna do this batch by batch. That was the first batch and this is the second batch. Just whisk them all together until they're fully incorporated. And then at this point, we're gonna change from whisk to a plastic rubber spatula. So we're just gonna be folding the egg whites to the egg yolk mixture at this point. We're doing this just so the air from the egg white won't dissolve while mixing it, because you need that air for your souffle. So your pancake will rise. And that's it. That's the consistency that you want. So now we're gonna start cooking the pancakes. So of course, put a little bit of butter just to coat your pan, and then put like, this is I think like a tablespoon, and then as you can see, I'm just like really patting it there. Okay, and then cover your pan for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and then after 3 minutes, you can add another layer of batter. You can just add it like that, and then this time, before you cover it, add a tablespoon of water, and then cover it, right? And then add another 3 minutes on your timer. After 3 minutes, you are ready to flip. So here it is, you flip it and then add another tablespoon of water and cover it again and wait for another 3 minutes, and you will know when it's done when it's firm enough but still jiggly on the outside. Hi everyone, so here's our souffle pancake. It looks amazing though, like I'm so happy how it turned out. So maple syrup, of course. There you have it. I hope you guys try it. This recipe is amazing. And please don't forget to tag me, take a picture, share it to me, tag me Pinay's Kitchen on Instagram and Facebook, and enjoy it with your kids, with your hubby. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I can't wait to taste it. But yep, look how thick that is. That is amazing. I'm gonna try this, I can't wait. I can't wait. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this recipe. Until my next video, thank you. Again, this is Krista of Pinay's Kitchen, bringing flavors from the Pacific to your table. Thank you, bye.